Hey guys, ever wonder who Bigfoot really is? You're fixing to find out right now.
Hey guys, if y'all are a new viewer, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And if you're a regular watcher, thanks for watching.
This is our family we've got in Hochatown, the 12 facts of Bigfoot. This is
Maddie.
Parker.
Martin Carey, Hochatown.
Hochatown.
So we want to start off with something really, really informative and something scientific. So we always want to start off with our Bigfoot Research Kit. A lot of times when you go out into the woods and you look for Bigfoot, the most important thing you need to know is you need special Band-Aids. These special Band-Aids are just for Bigfoot. Without this one, he can become very disgruntled. Okay. So guys, what we've run into is we've run into some secret recordings of Bigfoot. Here's the first one. It's a howl. Oh, and I know you don't want to be on camera. The next one's going to be a snort. Oh, really? And the next one's going to be a roar. Whoa. And then the next one's going to be a groan. Thank you for sharing that. I know that's never been on any YouTube video in the past. Thank you so much. Okay, so just a small anatomy lesson here on Bigfoot. A lot of times they will portray Bigfoot, which he is supposed to be this tall, except a lot of times what you don't see is his ab development. His ab development is amazing. Through the hair, you can still see how wonderful and trim he is because he usually feeds off young deer. He's really very fit. Okay, so what we have here is in case you're in the woods and you're walking through, so you need to identify the Bigfoot poo first. And so you would bring this out of the bag, put it onto the ground, and then identify it so you do not step into the Bigfoot poo. Okay, so here in Hochatown, a lot of times they want to make sure that their children, they don't have nightmares. So what they want to do is they want them to sleep with a Bigfoot like this. So they hug in tight. So when they grow older, when they do see the Bigfoot, it doesn't freak them out quite as bad. At least that's what they tell me. That, like, Bigfoot's attracted to jewelry, especially if it's of himself. He'll actually be prone to come near you if you're wearing actual Bigfoot jewelry. So I was talking to some locals about Sasquatch. So Bigfoot, Sasquatch cousins, and they're not sure exactly how they're born, but they know they're mammals. So what they've done is they've actually found some Sasquatch eggs. You plant them in a flower pot, and they say when the moon is full, that actually a Sasquatch will actually appear to pull this egg out. And at that point, have your camera ready. They say that you'll get a picture of one. And apparently a little known fact that nobody knew about that I've got from a reliable source is that Bigfoot actually was into like car racing at one point. And fact in point, what I've done here is I've actually found a place that actually Bigfoot opened. Big racing fan, Bigfoot, big racing fan. Okay guys, here we are. So folklore is that it's like Bigfoot being like he's so tall and he's so hairy. I've had a lot of people say that when he gets out in the Oklahoma summer, then he like starts to get like super hot because he's like got a bunch of hair on him. He's like really big. He actually has opened up his own ice company, and I wanted y'all to see this. It's pretty rare that Bigfoot would invest into an ice company. He probably gets pretty hot, so he has unlimited ice. I mean, Bigfoot, you gotta hand it to Bigfoot. Okay, so I was doing some research on Bigfoot, and they said that Bigfoot is a carnivore, and he like eats deer and things like that. But I also found out that he's also a fisherman because I stopped by this sign, and they were showing Bigfoot here, and he actually, I guess suppose that he uses a deep sea rod and reel and catches his fish like with a rod and reel. So he must have some kind of fine motor skills. At least that's what they were telling me. So I was talking to an owner here, and there's a bunch of trails around, and they say Bigfoot is so frequent here in this area that they had to have these signs that were made up here, and they were saying warning Bigfoot area, you have to stay on the marked trails on here just because of the inherent danger of Bigfoot. So I thought this was very interesting. So Bigfoot's such a big influence here. I have meta, so I have Bigfoot in Bigfoot. So I thought this was really interesting. What a strong influence Bigfoot has here. Okay, so I was doing some research here about Bigfoot, and there was a lot of people saying that actually Bigfoot, they have children, they have families, and actually Bigfoot's, I guess it's his little boy or little girl, they actually have a picture of it here. They're actually called Booger. And so I guess Booger would be the rendition of the baby Bigfoot here. I thought this was interesting to see what a baby Bigfoot looked like. And the name Booger, I'm not sure. Booger or Bigfoot, I'm not sure. I'll have to do more research. So if you are a returning viewer, thank you for watching my video. If you are a new viewer, hit that red subscribe button right over there, and you're gonna get some fun, creative RV videos on a regular basis. And make sure to hit us up on Instagram. Until the next video, we'll see ya.